Hi, in this video we will see how to use presentation variable custom plugin, which is available for download in Oracle Analytics library. Once it is uploaded to the Oracle Analytics instance, it's available under custom visualizations within the Divi project. For this demo we will use sample order lines dataset. Let's select product category and sales and pick horizontal bar chart and add it to the canvas. Now let's create a calculation to compute sales tax as a presentation variable. Now let's declare variable as tax with a default value of 0.15. Upon saving this calculation, you will see a validation warning message. Let's overwrite that. Now let's add sales tax to our viz. Now let's bring in the variable prompt plugin to modify the values of our presentation variable. In the settings, enter stax as the variable name and add more values to this variable. You can change the values just by selecting the drop down and see the changes reflecting in the viz. The same process can be applied to select a column instead of a constant, just by dragging a column as default value to the presentation variable. And let's save this calculation. Let's add this calculation to our viz in y-axis. Let's bring in the variable plugin to the canvas to modify this dimension. In the settings, let's provide the variable name and supply few columns. The viz will now reflect the changes to different columns selected in the plugin. For multi-table datasets like graph demo dataset that we see here, there are some changes required to use columns as variables. However, there are no changes required for constants. Let's create a new calculation and assign the column source from one of the tables to the presentation variable by dragging the column. And now let's save this calculation. Now let's add this calculation to the viz in the y-axis. Then let's bring in the variable plugin to modify the values. In the settings, you could see the value as a fully qualified name, that is, the table name followed by the column name. We must follow the same format while adding the new values. You can see that the drop down displaying the fully qualified name as well. Thanks for watching the video.